colorful stackable stools for kids. Holds up to 265 pounds. It's about 17-inch in height, 12 inches across here. It's iron, it's flexible, good quality, really sturdy quality, and you could stack them after you finish. It's great for library, it's great for preschool, school, back patio, indoor, whatever you like. Comes in so much color. So we have blue, we have yellow, white, green, and red. Great for all the kids who likes different color. It's a really good, easy to wash, washable, easy to wipe off any food, spill, mess, crayon, anything. It's a really good quality overall. It's lightweight. What I love about it too, all the big holes here. Any rain or any stuff fall is gonna go right through of it. Good airflow. I mean, really nice. And holding up to 265 pound, lightweight. Holding up to 265 pound is a big plus. But my favorite thing is the color. My kids love the colors. Some of them are going for red, some are going for white, some of them are going for blue. So that's all depends. So that's what I love about it. Different colors, the weight capacity is really outstanding. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. Listen, so far we've been using it a week now, and the kids love it. It fell down. It did not scratch yet, so it's still good. It still didn't break yet. My teenager son sat on it. He's 14. And there's no problem with it. Check in the description box for price and details, and get your hand a good 5 set of stool with affordable price and high good quality.